Hey, welcome to an episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I have a quick update on the 10th gen Honda Civic. We're going to be installing the side window visors from HIC. This right here is the one without the clips. So we started installing in the front, as you can see already. It's right here. This is the double-sided stick-on one. It's one, again, without the little clips that goes in the front and the back right here. On my particular Accord, I have the WeatherTech, which goes in the channel. And this one is the one that you just stick to the outside right here. And it has double-sided tape in the back. Now, the easiest way to install this would be just opening up your door. That way, the chrome piece is very easy to see. And make sure you clean this part with water and alcohol to remove any oil or dirt or debris before you install. If you don't do that when you're driving, it's a good chance that these will fall off. All right, so I have some rubbing alcohol right here, and so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down. And the window visor, I took the 3M double-sided tape and peeled off the edges so that the edge can be folded forward. There's one here, and also on the opposite side. And so then go ahead and line it up to the back door where the little red flap's gonna be facing out. There's that, and there's over there. And you just wanna make sure the top of it goes to the top of the chrome piece so that's not showing. And also the edge goes up to the edge right here. And you just want to verify that the edge lines up over here as well. And so right now, as you can see, you can see a bunch of chrome piece right here, so it's not lined up correctly. And so you have to push this back to make sure it's lined up in the back here. And then, as you can see, it's lined up over here perfectly fine. And then all you do is just go ahead and peel this back, mount it, and start pushing all the way through. So you can start from this, do the top one, or actually, yeah, do the top. Now first, no, before you pull on that, you wanna, right now, yeah, make sure that this is lined up here, in the edge to edge right here, and then push that side in so that it holds it, so it grabs onto something, and then you start peeling that little by little. There you go. Yeah, and yep, pull that a little bit at a time and put pressure, but making sure that it's lined up to the edge while you're doing that. All right, so we're wiping this side with alcohol pad. Again, you want to make sure it's super clean to minimize any dirt and debris. Because if it's there, it's not going to stick your window visors and it's going to fall off. And do the same thing for the front. So I don't know if you can tell, but there's this little residue of the alcohol pad that's left right here on that chrome trim, so you want to make sure you wipe that off. And it's completely dry. This was about $75. I'll have the link in the product description below, so go check it out. All right, so again, the most important part is making sure it's clean before you apply the tape, since these are not the in-channel ones and it doesn't have any clips to hold it. See, on my Accord, I have the in-channel ones that goes inside the channel right here, so that's what holds it in place. But this one is just double-sided tape. And another update is we have the 3D Max Spider floor liners in the front and the back. You can see it's right there. And have the Covercraft visor as well.